आजा वे तबीबा, जल्दी आजा वे तबीबा, नहीं ते मैं मर गईया। तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके भैया वे भैया। इस इश्क की बगिया मैं मयूर आ गए, मैंने कहा बात किबला मेरे यार में पाए मुझे करके जो घायल मुड़के खबर न लिया। जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, नहीं ते मैं मर गईया। तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया वे थैया। मैंने मारी जो अड्डी, मारी जो अड्डी मिल गए पिया उधैया। जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, जल्दी आ जावे तबीबा, नहीं ते मैं मर गईया। तेरे इश्क तेरे इश्क नचाया, तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया वे थैया। थैया 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 थैया। तेरे इश्क तेरा इश्क न डरा, मेरे अंदर कीता भर जहर पियाला, भर जहर पियाला, मैं आप ही पीता। थैया 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 थैया। Good evening. It's my honor to be here in front of such an august audience. ये पहला गाना जो था बाबा बुल्ले शाह का लिखा हुआ और नया कॉम्पोजिशन था। एंड जो अगला गाना है फिल्म तलाश से है। इट्स अ सॉन्ग ऑफ द नाइट। और अगर आपने तलाश देखी होगी, मेरे ख्याल से a big character of that film was the city of Mumbai, a city where I reside right now, a city that has lots to be proud about and lots to work on. But this is a song of the night and a song for Mumbai. मन तेरा जो रोग है, मोहे समझना आए, in this wonderful concept of the Best City Award, I think one for the cleanest environment and pollution plays a very important role for singers like me. I suffer from asthma, and pardon me for the little bit of kitch-pitch that's happening in the voice. But yes, the next song is a song that was part of the Satyamev Jayate journey. I was not only a performer singer, I was also the producer of the project, the musical project, and it was a life-changing, irreversible kind of an experience. और ये जो गाना है जो मैं गाने वाली हूँ, I believe it's for not only all the women in the crowd, all the women in the country and the world, but also for all those great men, because there are those men out there who celebrate their women. So the coming song is from Satyamev Jayate, and if you've heard it, I know it's a very serious formal gathering, we are on television, but feel free to join in because it says the right things, and I'm sure you believe in these words too. To all the gorgeous women in the crowd, Sanjay Das on the lead guitars. A city or any country that celebrates its most vulnerable, be it children, be it women, actually stands to gain the most. I believe in this, and I think that's the only way to go forward. And this is an ode. And I know we have people in the audience here who do strive to make that change. So here celebrating all of you and all your cities. Till we meet in the next section.